Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. St. Bernard is a small rural community located in Digby County, Nova Scotia. It sits along the southern part of the province on the Bay of Fundy side, surrounded by farmland, forest, and scattered residential properties. The population of the immediate area is small, estimated at only a few hundred residents, with most services and amenities found in nearby towns such as Weymouth and Digby. The history of St. Bernard is closely tied to Acadian settlement in the region. Like many communities in southwestern Nova Scotia, the area was originally settled by Acadian families in the 18th century who established farms along the fertile land. Following the expulsion of the Acadians, the region was later resettled by families of New England planters and other European settlers. The community has remained largely rural ever since, shaped by agriculture, forestry, and coastal industries. Today, the local economy in and around St. Bernard is based mainly on resource-based and service industries. Many residents work in fishing, forestry, agriculture, construction, and small local businesses. Others commute to nearby communities such as Weymouth, Digby, or Yarmouth for employment in healthcare, retail, education, and government services. Seasonal work also plays a role, especially in fishing and tourism-related industries along the coast. Housing in St. Bernard is generally more affordable than in many urban and coastal areas of Nova Scotia. Average home prices typically range between $150,000 and $300,000, depending on property size, condition, and land included. Larger rural properties with acreage are common in the area and often attract buyers looking for space and privacy. Overall, St. Bernard represents a traditional rural Nova Scotia community. It is defined by its quiet setting, agricultural roots, and strong connection to nearby service centers. While it does not offer the amenities of larger towns, it provides a low-density lifestyle with access to nature, space, and a slower pace of life that is typical of rural southwestern Nova Scotia.
Thanks for watching!